Good morning students. Welcome once again to the video of class 8 maths. Okay, today we are going to discuss chapter 16 and that is area of trapezium. Okay, so before we start the area of trapezium chapter, we are going to discuss some of the basic concept about the plane figures. Okay, what are the plane figures and what are the formula to find out the area of this plane figures. Okay, let's start with this figure, that is rectangle. Okay, as you know, rectangle having opposite sides are equal. The opposite side of rectangle are equal, and what is its area? So if opposite sides are equal and then certainly there is a length and there is a breadth, so how to find the area and of a rectangle? Okay, so area equal to length into breadth is the formula of a rectangle. And how to find the area of a square? As you know, in a square the all sides of a squares are equal. So the area of formula to find out the area of a square is side square, or you can write side into side. Okay. And next figure is a parallelogram. As parallelogram having opposite sides are parallel, okay, and opposite sides are parallel and equal. So here what is the area? Area equal to base into height. If this is the base, suppose we can name it A, B, C, D, and if AB is a base, we can write here AB is base, and height is, suppose this is the height, perpendicular distance from the parallel sides, that is perpendicular distance is DE here. So DE is the height. Otherwise height can be known as the altitude. Okay, so base into height is the area of a parallelogram formula. Next figure is triangle. In a triangle there are three sides are there. So what is formula? Half into base into height. So this is called base, and anyone of the side can be a base. And what is the height? Height from the perpendicular distance from the vertex to the base is called the height. Next figure is triangle. So isosceles triangle, so no, sorry, equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle the all sides are equal. So what is the formula to find out the area of an equilateral triangle? That is root 3 by 4 side square is the formula to find the area of equilateral triangle. And next plane figure is a circle, and in a circle this is the radius. Okay, and what is the formula to find out the area? The formula is pi into radius square, otherwise it can be known as pi r square. To find out the area of a circle, formula is pi r square. Okay, so after discussing the basic concept, some of the plane figures, now our next plane figure is a trapezium. That is our topic of discussion in this chapter. Okay, so first of all I am going to introduce what is a trapezium. In a trapezium the opposite side, one of the parallel sides are there. So here look at this is a ABCD is a trapezium here, and AB is here, AB is parallel to CD. So one pair of the sides are parallel. So here AB is parallel to CD and other sides are not parallel sides. So these are AD and BC are non-parallel sides, and AB and CD are parallel sides. And what is this height here? The perpendicular distance from the parallel side is called the height of the trapezium. And what is the formula to find out the area of the trapezium? Let's see. So to find the area of trapezium, the formula is half into the sum of the two parallel sides. So here AB and CD are parallel side, so sum of two parallel sides into height. And what is height here? The height is DE. So any value it is there, so we can find out the value of the area of the trapezium using this formula. Once again I am repeating the formula: half into the sum of two parallel sides into height is the area of trapezium formula. Okay, now look at this word problem. What it is given? It is given that find the area of trapezium with base 12 centimeter. Here the base is given here, that is 12 centimeter, and height is 6 centimeter. This height is given 6 centimeter. If the side parallel to the given base is 7 centimeter long, so here this is the base, and parallel, the side parallel to the given base, this is the base, and which side is parallel to this one? This is the parallel side, that is CD. So I am drawing you this figure to understand. Let's see. If this is a trapezium here, and it is given that this side, this is the base is giving here 12 centimeter, and opposite to this was the parallel side, this parallel side is given here 7 centimeter. And what the height is given here? The height is given here, so 6 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. So these three quantity are required to find the area of the trapezium. So using our formula to find the area of a trapezium, we can solve this problem. So therefore, area of trapezium equal to half into the sum of the parallel side, that is 12 plus 7 into height. What is height here? That is 6. So half into 12 plus 7 is 19 into 6. So we can solve it by minimizing. 2 3s are 6, 19 3s are how much? 3 9 7 2 57, 19 3s are 57 centimeter square. So what is the area of this trapezium? That is 57 centimeter square. Okay. Now look at this word problem. The question says that find the sum of lengths of the bases of trapezium whose area is given, that is 4.2 meter square, and height is 280 centimeter. First of all, you have to convert into same unit. Here it is meter and here it is here centimeter. So first of all, convert this 280 centimeter, then that is the height. Height is 280 centimeter, convert into meter. How to convert into meter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here divided by 100, that is 2.8 meter. So we have got that 280 centimeter equal to 2.8 meter. And what other thing is given here? It is given that whose area is 4.2. So area is giving here 4.2 meter square. Okay, these things are given. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the sum of lengths. Okay, so what is the formula to find out the area? So the area formula is half into the sum of the sides, sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, so here area we know and height we know. We have to find out the sum of the parallel side. So question is asking the sum of parallel sides. Here I am giving this symbol to signify that this is the parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides equal to area into 2 divided by height. This formula can be changed like this. So area is how much? Area is given here 4.2 meter square into 2 divided by height is 2.8. So here after decimal in both the places one digit is there, so it can be cancelled. So what is the result here? 42 into 2 divided by 28. So this 42 can be divisible with 28. On let's see, 14 2s are 28 and 14 3s are 42, 14 3s are, so 2 can be cancelled, so answer is 3. So 3 what? 3 meter. So we have got the sum of the parallel sides equal to 3 meter using this formula. Okay.